Today I'll show how to create a customer summary report. First, I'll create a region. The region name is Filter. It's designed to collect user input before generating the report. Inside the region body, there are 3 page items. P20 underscore from the from date, start date of the report range. P20 underscore to the to date, end date of the report range. P20 underscore customer the customer selector, usually a list of values to choose a specific customer. Then I'll create a button. Next, I'll create another region for the report. This SQL calculates the bill summary for each customer. It shows bill underscore before, total bills before the from date. Bill underscore during, bills within the selected date range. Bill underscore total, total bills up to the to date. All results are grouped by customer number. This SQL block calculates payment summaries per customer. It shows 3 parts. Pay underscore before, total payments made before the from date. Pay underscore during, payments made within the selected date range. Pay underscore total, total payments up to the to date. All results are grouped by customer number and later joined with the bill summary to get the final report. It selects each customer's opening, invoice, payment, and balance by joining the bill and payment summaries. Opening, bills before from date minus payments before from date. Invoice, total bills within date range. Payment, total payments in date range. Balance, total bills minus total payments. Finally, it filters by selected customer and orders the result by name. I'll delete all my existing bill and payment entries. Now I'll create a new bill. But I need to make one modification in the bill. Here, I'll add a process date field. Now I'll create a new bill for the month of January. Next, I'll approve the bills. After that, I'll go to the bill summary to check the results. I entered the date range from 1st November to 9th, but a date format error appeared. So, I'll fix the date format and then try again. We can see that opening balances have appeared for 2 customers. That means there are no bills or payments within the selected period, only previous transactions exist. Since both invoice and payment are 0, the balance is the same as the opening. Now I'll make the customer field a list of values. Now I'll create a new payment. I made a payment of 500. The payment is completed. My opening balance was 1390. After subtracting the 500 payment, the balance is now 890. I'll add a where condition in the query so that only approved data is shown and unapproved records are excluded.